back again on our way to Sam's and Trader Joe's just to grab a couple of items real quick. As y'all see, Damon here again. Yes, this morning ain't no exciting day. Because, of course, we beefing.
No, we ain't.
Yes, we are.
We ain't.
We are. And you know it. I didn't hear you.
We ain't. No.
My ass.
Put it up here.
If I wasn't driving, I would.
No, you wouldn't. Okay. You wouldn't do such a thing.
You know me better than that, so stop faking it.
You wouldn't do such a thing.
You know me better than that, so stop. I'm not liking the way I put my lashes on today. I mean, when I take them off, they don't look like they did yesterday. I know.
Different sizes.
These the same lashes I had on yesterday. This one look funny, don't it? And I think it's up too high. And I got that uncuffed lipstick on. I mean, stunner lipstick from Fenty. Got that on again today. I don't have much makeup on. I might have to pull these lashes off. I might. They ain't looking right. They ain't working right.
Can't see nothing.
I won't have my glasses
on,
David.
On all day.
I will not. When we get into the store, I'm going to take them off. Like I always do. I think this one on this side is up too high.
So tell them nothing about the party?
The party was just okay yesterday. We ain't party like we normally do, I'll tell you that much. You think so?
What is that? A lot of people don't show up like this. Just small get together.
Alright. Super small. It is what it is. You know, hopefully my sister-in-law went out and, you know, had a good time or whatever, because they went to the club. I didn't go. I don't do the club thing. So, yeah, we did that, came back home. Yeah. And that was basically it. So, like I said, today we're going to do a little grocery shopping. Not much, but just a little bit here. And then we're going to go to Trader Joe's and get some more of that orange chicken and rice. That was pretty good. And I want to get some more of that coffee. That coffee is amazing. And it most definitely, it don't give you the caffeine that espresso gives, but it most definitely give you that boost of energy. Okay, we made it to Sam's and we're gonna head up in there. Okay. I guess he want me to pull closer. I don't know. We just made it to Sam's. I'm gonna switch, I guess, the parking spots. I don't know what he doing. Oh, he want me to park a little bit closer. There's 2 spots. It's 2. A mess. But we're at Sam's. We're gonna go in here and grab these little few items real quick. Man, it's so windy today. I am, of course, way up there. He done left me, y'all. So we're gonna go in here and get this stuff real quick and be out of here. Look at this clearance find, y'all. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, you can't beat that. That's an excellent price. More end of the season sales. Just these. This ain't what I wear, but it's not bad. She gave you a whole bottle of water? What does it taste like? Let me taste it. What is it?
Energy. You might like the grape.
Yeah, it is.
It's really sweet. How many did she put there? The water frozen too? Oh wow. You like it? What is it supposed to be?
Say it takes the place of 2 bananas, 5 glasses of orange juice. That's pretty good.
You don't even know what you drinking.
Z12.
B12.
Z12.
Z. I ain't never heard of no Z12. Now, come on. Alright, we did all the shopping that we gonna do. What'd you say about Trader Joe's, Damon?
Just busy, man.
I might go back for that the meat that we seen.
The corn salad.
Yeah.
Why?
That beef. I wouldn't mind trying it. I think it's gonna taste different from what we do. You know, like that the seasoning. I think it'll be different.
That's like soaked.
Right, it's marinated in it.
Right.
And they probably using something different. I guarantee you it's gonna taste way different. And then it was like $8.99 a pound. I don't even know how many pounds. I didn't even look at that part.
Each one was priced different. No, they priced different.
You didn't even look. You didn't even pick it up.
I did. No, I didn't pick it up, but I looked.
Maybe, I don't know. I ain't never had that. But I wouldn't mind going back to buy it just so we could try it. Hey, we should have went to Marshall's. Yeah, we're gonna go to Marshall's real quick. Oh my God, we ain't on right. We everywhere today. TJ Maxx, Marshall's. I found this gem in here. Oh my God, y'all. Look at that. Bond number 9. Gotta be a Bond number 9 at TJ Maxx. What? This gotta be it's gotta be at least $150 for 60.
Is it sold?
I came in here looking for a different perfume.
I didn't really look.
Yeah, I'm about this. Dang, here go the doggone. What is this? This isn't the one I'm looking for. It's not the one I'm looking for.
Put them in there.
I'm not putting nothing in no daggone layaway. I don't even know if you could put them in layaway. What I look like putting perfume in layaway? Oh man, that's my other favorite. Dang it.
know the drugs, people.
I'm winning. Man, I've been winning for the last past, what? How many days?
Dang, you mean how many years?
Oh, here we go. Stop trying to blow my high for my win, okay?
What?
Winning. Found that at, which y'all already seen. This bird ain't gonna fly away? What the hell wrong with that bird? Is it still there? I didn't hit it, did I? No. Is it still there? It's still there.
Frozen.
Something must be wrong with it. It is not frozen because it is not cold. I've been winning for the past couple of days.
Last week.
Well, I've been playing scratch offs. I've been winning a little bit. I played pick 3 and I won. Go to TJ Maxx. I've been wanting bond number 9 perfume for a while, ever since I've been wearing this sample. I actually did a vlog on it about a month ago, but I didn't post it. So I've been wanting this bond number 9. So to find it at TJ Maxx, which is unheard of. Is it showing? It ain't even showing. Damn.
Finna bust it.
I'm finna bust it.
Your win gonna become a loser.
Oh, here we go.
Car gonna be smelling like bond number 9.
Anyway, now I probably can show it now since it ain't as much light. Hold it up. Yes, bond number 9. I've been wanting it. That size bottle right there costs $200. And you can't just go anywhere and buy bond number 9. You only get it from like Saks. When I bought my purse, when I went to a Louis Vuitton store, I went to Neiman's Market and she was like, we don't have it. You have to go down to Saks. I decided not to go down there because I just didn't really feel like walking way back down there. So for me to find it finally for a third of the price, yeah, about a third of the price.
Yeah.
$60 basically, which is still on the high side for perfume, but for that particular perfume, yeah, that's a fraction of the cost. Cause half is $100. So yeah, good deal, Damon.
Good deal, real good deal. Surprised you found it?
Super surprised. I'm super surprised that I found that perfume. Man, I've been winning. I've been winning ever since I got my Louis Vuitton purse. You notice that? I'm so happy. Man, this has been a good week. Somewhat, besides us beefing. See how we a good team if we don't allow people to come in between our thing. When you allow people to come in between your thing, they have it all messed up. All messed up. So, I know I'm not going to put that part inside of this vlog, but look at the other video to understand what I'm talking about. And if I decided to keep all that in there, which I kind of doubt, so just, y'all know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Leave some comments because I can't wait.
I can't wait either. I really cannot wait. I want to really hear how people feel. I want to hear how people feel.
Me too. Me too. Like I tell you all the
You
time.
buying my bond 9 for me? No. He's talking about no.
They saw it.
Yeah, but they didn't hear you.
No.
Why can't you? It ain't. It's just $60.
Yeah. That we could have renewed the Costco membership. So we could have got some stuff out of Costco.
Alright, y'all, this might be the end of this vlog. I don't know.
It is.
So, I'ma just say this. Dang, really rudeness? I'ma say this just in case it ain't. See? Now when we start winning,
We already won.
and you're treating people as if you don't care, can't be like that. Can't be like that. You can't be on some like you just ready to just, okay, whatever, turn it off. You know, you can't be like that. because people can sense that.
That ain't what
If you want people to subscribe and really be in tune with what you're doing, you gotta act as if you care about them because they care about what we do. You gotta think. Even though I don't have a lot of people, I'm just happy to have some people watching my videos. Even though it's not a whole lot, I'm just kind of surprised that anybody is watching.
Why?
Because people do a lot of things that people don't even pay attention to. So if you get a group of people that watch your videos, they don't have to do it. They could be doing something else. They could be clicking off your video. They decide to watch, and some people decide to leave a comment, which is amazing. Surprised that somebody is into what I'm talking about and what I'm doing.
Yeah, interesting.
So, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave some comments at the bottom. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
All right.